Hi guys, welcome to the class. Today straight lines class 2. Now yesterday we started a new topic, straight lines. That is one of the important topic I told you earlier, and whatever concepts I told you earlier, just I wrote here on the board, just to take a screenshot or write the notes. It is very important. Just you have to write. We have to write the notes. That is very important. It's a geometrical part. You have to write the notes. And you have to read thoroughly, then only you go for the problems. Okay, I am explaining whatever concepts I explained you in the last previous class. Just I remind you, slope, if theta is inclination. What is inclination? If a line cuts x-axis with some angle in anti-clockwise direction, that angle is said to be inclination of the line. Okay, if theta is inclination, then tan theta is called slope of the line. Slope, or we can call them as gradient. Gradient is also known as slope. Slope is gradient, gradient is slope. So slope or gradient, when inclination is given, tan theta is slope. When 2 points on a line are given, y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 is the slope. And if a line is of the form ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, then the slope is minus of a by b, minus of x coefficient by y coefficient. So these are the three different forms to find slope. When inclination is given, tan theta is slope. When 2 points are given, y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 is the slope, and minus of x coefficient by y coefficient is slope when this type of line is given. Okay. Next, what is the slope of x-axis or any horizontal line? 0. The slope of y-axis is not defined. Any vertical line slope is also not defined. Next, if there are two lines whose slopes are equal, that means the lines are parallel. If the product of the two slopes is minus 1, then the lines are perpendicular. If the lines are perpendicular, product of the slopes is equal to minus 1. So vice versa. If it happens, this one. If it happens, this one. And if the lines intersect with some angle theta, then tan theta is equal to m1 minus m2 by 1 plus m1 m2. Okay, where you take modulus, then theta is acute angle. Now equation of x-axis, y is equal to 0. Any line parallel to x-axis, y is equal to k. Equation of y-axis, 0. Equation of any line parallel to y-axis, x is equal to k. Okay. Next one. These are the different forms of straight lines what I taught in the last class. Y is equal to mx is a line which is always passing through origin, whose slope is m. And y is equal to mx plus c is a straight line. What is the name of this line? Slope intercept form. Slope intercept form. Y is equal to mx plus c, where m is the slope and c is the y intercept. Okay. Next. Y is equal to m of x minus a. What is m of x minus a? It is the equation of the line where x-intercept is a and slope is m. And this is the line. The last concept what I taught in the last class, x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. X-intercept a and y-intercept is equal to b. Okay. You see, now we go further. Forward we are going to. Next, see. Here I told some important points. One is, if A is equal to B, the first point is if A is equal to B, which means intercepts are equal, then the equation x by A plus y by A is equal to 1. X plus y is equal to A. And the second point, if A plus B is equal to 0, A plus B is equal to 0, that means B is equal to minus A. So intercepts are magnitudely same, but having a different sign, then the equation will be x minus y is equal to a. Okay, this I told earlier in the last class also. Next, third point. Suppose if a is to b is equal to m is to n, then what happens? Ratio of the intercepts, x-intercept, y-intercepts are the ratio, m is to n. That means a by b is equal to m by n. Now we can write b is equal to na by m. Now the equation becomes x by a plus y by b means na by m is equal to 1 Now x by a plus my by na is equal to 1. What is LCM here? Na. So nx plus my is equal to na. This is one more point. And you see, this will be the equation, this will be the line. This is a comma 0 and 0 comma b. What is the equation of this line? X by a plus y by b is equal to 1. Here a comma b both are positive. I am taking these two are positive. That is in the first quadrant. Suppose we consider these two in the second quadrant like this. This will be minus a comma 0 and 0 comma b. So the equation is x by minus a plus y by b is equal to 1. If you take in the third quadrant, fourth one, this is the third quadrant, then the equation of line will be minus of x by a minus y by b is equal to 1. It will be in the fourth quadrant. This will be like x by a minus y by b is equal to 1. Okay, just to take a screenshot. Okay. Now these are the few concepts what I explained you in the previous class. This is one of the important topics in the first year itself. Inka chaala mandi live class raaledu. I think their time is not 11 o'clock. సో ఈ బెటర్ చాలా మంది లాస్ట్ క్లాస్లో కూడా నేను అబ్జర్వ్ చేసింది, చాలా మంది డౌట్స్ అడుగుతున్నారు. కాన్సెప్ట్ చదవకుండా జామెట్రీలో ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ అనేది యూ కాంట్ డూ. అలా నేను మెసేజ్ కూడా సెండ్ చేశాను, మీరు నోట్స్ ప్రిపేర్ చేయండి. ఐ విల్ సెండ్ ద నోట్స్ ఆల్సో టుడే ఆల్సో. మీరు స్క్రీన్ షాట్స్ మొత్తం నోట్స్గా ప్రిపేర్ చేసుకోండి, స్ట్రైట్ లైన్స్ హెడ్డింగ్ పెట్టుకోండి. వన్స్ యూ రీడ్ ద నోట్స్, దట్ ఈస్ వెరీ వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్ ఫర్ జామెట్రీ పర్పస్. First you have to read the notes, that is very very important. You have to write the notes. ఇవన్నీ మళ్ళీ మా క్లాస్లో చెప్తారు, కానీ ఆఫ్లైన్ క్లాసెస్ గోయింగ్ అని అనుకోకండి మీరు. డోంట్ నెగ్లెక్ట్ లైవ్ క్లాసెస్ చదువుతున్న టైం. యూ హ్యావ్ టు యూటిలైజ్ ద టైం, దట్ ఈస్ వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్ నవేడేస్. ఈవెన్ గవర్నమెంట్ ఆల్సో గోయింగ్ టు స్టార్ట్ ఆన్లైన్ క్లాసెస్ ఫర్ ది గవర్నమెంట్ కాలేజ్ స్టూడెంట్స్. సో వీ హ్యావ్ టు బి మోర్ అవేర్ ఆఫ్ దిస్. So better you follow the class and write the notes and then go for the problems. Okay? Now, some more points. Different forms of straight line lo mana maatladinantlo, this is a comma 0, this is 0 comma b. What is the equation of the line? X by a plus y by b is equal to 1, where a is equal to x intercept and b is the y intercept. Okay? Next, what about the area of this triangle? This is 0 comma 0. What is the area of this triangle? You see, this is a right angle triangle. Next point is area of triangle, that is below a area of triangle OAB is equal to half a into b modulus of, because area is always positive, we have to write modulus. Half a mod b. What is a here? Half into x intercept. A means x intercept. X intercept into y intercept. X intercept into y intercept. So this is the formula to find the area of triangle. I will give one example. Okay? X by 3 plus y by 4 is equal to 1. The area of triangle with coordinate axis. The question is, this is a line which makes a triangle with coordinate axis. Triangle kavalante we have three lines. This is one line and other two lines are x axis and other one is y axis. These three lines form a triangle. Then what about the area of triangle? So just I told you, that is half into x intercept. What is x intercept here? 3. Y intercept is 4. So the answer is 6. Okay. Now I will give one more example. 2x minus 3y is equal to 6. Find the area of triangle with coordinate axis. Area of triangle with coordinate axis. Coordinate axis means x axis and y axis. This is one line. First you have to reduce this line into this form. How to? Just you divide it 6. That is 2x by 6 minus 3y by 6 is equal to 1. So we have x by 3 plus y by minus 2 is equal to 1. So area is equal to half into modulus of x intercept, that is 3, y intercept minus 2. Y intercept is minus 2. So minus 6 modulus తీసుకున్నాం కాబట్టి we have to write always positive value. 6 by 2, that is 3 square units. Okay, this is the area of triangle. Next one, ఇప్పటివరకు మనం y is equal to mx passing through origin, y intercept slope is given చేసాం. Next, general form of straight line. General form of straight line. General form of straight line. Ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 is called the general form of the straight line. Straight line యొక్క general form ఏంటంటే first degree అంటే power 100 degree equation. At a time none of the two equal to 0 అంటే ఏ రెండు ఒకేసారి 0 అవుతుంది. అయితే అది స్ట్రైట్ లైన్ అవుతుంది. At a time none of the two values is equal to 0. అది స్ట్రైట్ లైన్ అవుతుంది. ఎందుకు అవుతుందో మనం మాట్లాడాలి. This is called general form of the straight line. దీనికి సంబంధించిన కొన్ని మ్యాటర్ మాట్లాడాలి. First point. Suppose if c is equal to 0, what happens? Okay? If c is equal to 0, it is like ax plus by is equal to 0. And the constant is not there in the equation. Whenever constant is not there, you see here, you can write like by is equal to minus ax. That implies y is equal to minus a by bx. This is of the form y is equal to mx. So y is equal to mx is a straight line which is always passing through origin. Okay? So whenever c is equal to 0, line passing through origin. Line passing through origin. అది మీ మైండ్లో స్టోర్ అయిపోయి ఉండాలి. ఒక ఈక్వేషన్ ఆఫ్ ది లైన్లో కాన్స్టెంట్ లేదు. వితౌట్ హ్యావింగ్ కాన్స్టెంట్, విచ్ మీన్స్ the line always passes through origin. Constant లేదు అంటే origin గుండా పాస్ అవుతుంది. Okay, this is one point. Next point, suppose if a is equal to 0, then what happens? If a is equal to 0, a becomes 0 or x is equal to 0. Now by plus c is equal to 0. That implies y is equal to minus c by b. So this is of the form y is equal to k. Y is equal to constant. Last class lo maatladam. Y is equal to constant. Line any parallel ga untundi cheppandi? Parallel to x axis. Line parallel to x axis. In the same way, x is equal to 0 aina same. X is equal to 0 substitute chesina indulo you will get y is equal to minus c by b. That is also parallel to x axis, and this one is called y intercept anta. Inevantaru cheppandi? y ఇంటర్సెప్ట్, x 0 చేస్తే వచ్చే వాల్యూని y ఇంటర్సెప్ట్. దిస్ ఈజ్ y ఇంటర్సెప్ట్. నెక్స్ట్ థర్డ్ పాయింట్, సపోజ్ ఇఫ్ b ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 0, ఇది జనరల్ ఫామ్ అనుకున్నాం. ఈ జనరల్ ఫామ్ లో b 0 అయింది అనుకోండి, అప్పుడు మిగిలేదు ఏంటి చూడండి, వాట్ ఈస్ రిమైనింగ్ ax plus c is equal to 0, x is equal to minus c by a. This is of the form x is equal to k, x is equal to some constant. So line parallel to y axis, లేదా y is equal to 0 అనుకుంటే x is equal to minus c by a. This is called x intercept. Okay, at a time 2 equal not equal to 0. And the fourth point, suppose a is equal to c is equal to 0, then what happens? A is equal to c is equal to 0 means by is equal to 0, then y is equal to 0, equation of x axis. b is equal to c is equal to 0, ax is equal to 0. ఇక్కడ b నాట్ ఈక్వల్ టు 0 గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండి, b నాట్ ఈక్వల్ టు 0, ఇక్కడ a నాట్ ఈక్వల్ టు 0. నౌ x is equal to 0, ఈక్వేషన్ ఆఫ్ y axis. బట్ ద కేస్ a is equal to 0, b is equal to 0 అంటే a is equal to b is equal to 0 means c is equal to 0, not a straight line, not a straight line. So these are the few points, just you write down and take. Okay, you see. Next, one more point. మనం చెప్పిన దాంట్లో జనరల్ ఫార్మ్ ఆఫ్ స్ట్రైట్ లైన్ చెప్పాం చూడండి. జనరల్ ఫార్మ్ ఆఫ్ స్ట్రైట్ లైన్ మనం మాట్లాడుతూ ఉన్నాం. Okay, next you see ax plus, I am writing big letters, nothing to worry, ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Now ax plus by is equal to minus c. Okay, now divide with minus c, ax by minus c, by minus c is equal to 1. That is x by minus c by a, y by minus c by b is equal to 1. So it is of the form x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. So what is the x intercept here? From this also we can say x intercept is equal to minus c by a. And what about y intercept? Minus c by. Now one more point. What is the area of triangle? Area of triangle with axis, coordinate axis. Area of triangle with coordinate axis. Just I told you half into x intercept. This is of the form intercept form. X intercept is minus c by a, y intercept minus c by b. So minus into minus plus, so c square by 2 mod ab. So why I write modulus not for c square? C square is always a positive value. So product of ab, c square by 2 mod AB. So the area of triangle formed by ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 with coordinate axis is c square by 2 mod AB. This is one of the important point. You see here, this point also. C square by 2 mod AB. Okay. So these are the few points about this general form of straight line. General form of straight line is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. If constant is equal to 0, that line is passing through origin. If a is equal to 0, b is equal to 0, so this type of things will be happening. So area of triangle, this line with coordinate axis is c square by 2 mod AB. Take a screenshot for that. Okay. Now, okay now? Now see, చాలా పాయింట్స్ మాట్లాడడం మనకి డిఫరెంట్ ఫార్మ్స్ ఆఫ్ స్ట్రైట్ లైన్స్ చెప్పాం. ఎప్పుడు ఏ ఫార్ములా వాడాలంటే చూసుకోండి జాగ్రత్తగా. ఫస్ట్ వన్ ఈస్ when the line passing through origin, this is the equation, y is equal to mx be the equation of the straight line when it is passing through origin. X intercept to slope is there. What is the formula? Y is equal to m of x minus a. Y is equal to m of x minus is the formula. X intercept and slope is given. Now y intercept and slope is given. Y is equal to mx plus c. Both the intercepts are given. Then y is equal to x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. And both intercepts, x intercept and y intercept are given. Now you see, okay, now we'll do some problems. Equations are gurutunayi kada. Origin unda passing, if a line passing through origin, what will be the equation? Y is equal to mx. It is passing through origin. Next, y is equal to mx plus c. Y intercept slope ichinapudu, this is the formula. Y is equal to m of x minus a when slope and x intercept is given. This is the formula. And x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. X intercept and y intercept both are given. This is the formula. And what is the area of this line with coordinate axis? Half modulus of AB. X intercept into y intercept. Next, this is the general formula. Ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. General formula of a straight line. General equation of a straight line or standard form of a straight line. If c is equal to 0, constant లేదంటే that line is always passing through origin అని అర్థం. ఇందులో x intercept ఎంత అంటే x intercept కావాలంటే enclose y. Now x is equal to minus c by y intercept కావాలంటే x 0. Okay, y is equal to minus c by b. And the area of triangle is c square by 2 modulus of AB. C square by 2 modulus of AB. This is the area of triangle. Okay, I will do some problems. ఒకటి రెండు సార్లు నోట్స్ చూసుకోండి, నోట్స్ క్లియర్గా రాసుకోండి. ఐ విల్ స్పెండ్ టుడే ఆన్వర్డ్స్ ఐ విల్ సెండ్ స్క్రీన్ షాట్స్ ఆల్సో ఫర్ ద క్లాస్. రైట్ డౌన్ ద నోట్స్, దట్ ఈస్ వెరీ 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 ఇంపార్టెంట్. నోట్స్ చదవకుండా మీరు డైరెక్ట్గా ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ చేస్తున్నారు చాలామంది. B1 అండ్ G1 బ్యాచ్లో చాలామంది డౌట్స్ అడగట్లేదు, అసలు ఉండట్లేదు వాళ్ళు. సో బెటర్ మీరు కూడా ఇంకా మీకు బాగా వచ్చని అడగట్లేదు, లేకపోతే ఫీల్ అవుతున్నారో తెలియదు. ఫీల్ ఫ్రీ టు ఆస్క్ ఎనీ డౌట్, పోస్ట్ ఎనీ ప్రాబ్లమ్ టు ఇన్ ద గ్రూప్ ఇట్ సెల్ఫ్. Many of the lecturers are waiting for your doubts. They are ready to clarify you. Okay? Now, the problems. You see the problem. The first one. You see, the first one is a line passing through minus 1 comma 3, 2 comma 7. Find the slope of parallel line, perpendicular line. Find slope of its parallel and perpendicular line. Okay? What is the answer? What is the slope of the given line? Slope of given line. Slope of given line. What is the slope of given line? y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. 4 by 3. This is the slope of the given line. So given line might be like this. And there is one more line which is parallel to this is given line. This is parallel. What about the parallel line slope? Same. So the answer for the first question, parallel line slope is equal to same 4 by 3. What about perpendicular line slope? Perpendicular line slope. When two lines are perpendicular, m1 m2 is equal to minus 1. One line slope is 4 by 3. What about the other line slope? Now m2 is equal to minus 3 by 4. Just to reciprocal and sign change. So reciprocal and sign change, you will get that. What about the perpendicular slope? If the slope is 5, perpendicular slope ఎంత అవుతుంది చెప్పండి? Reciprocal 1 by 5 plus కాబట్టి minus. Suppose minus 2 by 7. Perpendicular slope అంటే reciprocal చేయండి 7 by 2. Minus 2 కాబట్టి plus. Okay? 21 by 4. Minus 21 by 4. Slope of one line. What about the parallel line slope? Minus 21 by 4. Perpendicular slope ante just reciprocal. 4 by 21. Okay na? Next. Second question. Find the equation of the line. Second one. Find equation of line passing through 1 comma minus 1, 1 comma 7. Find the equation of the line passing through 1 comma minus 1 and 1 comma 7. మనం నేర్చుకున్న దాంట్లో ఎక్కడ ఈ ఫార్ములా లేదు, కానీ you observe this one. Here x coordinate is same. Then the equation of line is x is equal to 1. ఓకేనా? నేను చెప్పాను డయాగ్రమ్ రాసే స్టార్టింగ్ లో 1 comma minus 1. సపోజ్ ఇది 1 comma minus 1 అంటే ఇక్కడ ఉంటుంది 1 comma minus 1. 1 comma 7. x1 y is equal to చెప్పండి 7. This is 1 comma 7. So this will be the line. అంటే parallel to y axis. x లు ఈక్వల్ గా ఉన్నాయంటే లైన్ parallel to y axis. ఈక్వేషన్ ఎంత వస్తుందంటే x is equal to 1. అలాగే find line equation of line passing through, simple problems, passing through 0 comma minus 2 and 3 comma minus 2. Just you see, y coordinate is same. So equation of line, what about the equation of line? Equation of line is equal to y is equal to minus 2. Okay na? Next, very simple problems. Next, inko problem. Slope of a line is minus 5 whose y-intercept is 4. Slope of a line is minus 5, y-intercept is 4. Find the equation of the line. So m is equal to minus 5, y-intercept is equal to c. So what is the equation of the line? Y is equal to mx plus c. Y is equal to minus 5x plus 4. That is 5x plus y minus 4 is equal to 0. Next question. Inclination of a line 30 degrees and x-intercept minus 4. Find the equation of the line. You see, inclination is given. When inclination is given, what is slope? Slope m is equal to tan 30 degrees, that is 1 by root, and x-intercept is minus 4. What is the equation of the line? Y is equal to m of x minus a, that is y is equal to 1 by root 3 of x minus 4, that is root 3y is equal to x plus 4. So x minus root 3y plus 4 is equal to 0. Okay? Next, if a line makes and minus 3, if a line makes intercepts 4 and minus 3 on axis అన్నప్పుడు ఫస్ట్ x ఇంటర్సెప్ట్ తీసుకోవాలి, నెక్స్ట్ y ఇంటర్సెప్ట్, then equation of line. So ఇక్కడ both intercepts given, intercepts x intercept and y intercept. X intercept is 4, y intercept is minus 3. So a is equal to 4, b is equal to minus 3. Equation of the line is x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. Now the LCM is 12. 3x minus 4y, that is 3x minus 4y is equal to 12. This is the equation of the line. Take a screenshot. Okay, next screenshot తీసుకున్నారు కదా. Okay, next move to the next questions. Very easy topic, ఫార్ములా చదవండి, నోట్స్ ప్రిపేర్ అవ్వండి. దట్ ఈస్ వెరీ వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్. స్లోప్ ఎలా కనుక్కోవాలి అన్ని నోట్స్ మీకు ప్రిపేర్ చేస్తాను నేను. ఐ విల్ సెండ్ టుడే ది స్క్రీన్ షాట్స్ ఆఫ్ ద క్లాస్ ఆల్సో. సో యూ ప్రిపేర్ వెల్. మీకోసం మేము ద స్టాఫ్ ఆఫ్ ఎస్ఆర్ వీఆర్ ట్రైయింగ్ మ్యాక్సిమం అవర్ లెవెల్ బెస్ట్. సో యూటిలైజ్ ద స్టాఫ్ మెంబర్స్, దట్ ఈస్ వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్. ఏదో టైం పాస్ చేయవలసిన క్లాస్ వినకండి. Listen carefully the classes. This is one of the important topic. Even this topic is also in secondary. The concepts of the straight lines may use in secondary concept topics also. So better you listen carefully and tell your friends also. Okay. So now you see, I will do some different questions. The area of triangle. Find the area of triangle. Find the area of triangle made by the line. Find the area of triangle made by the line. Next one. Find the area of triangle made by 2x minus 3y plus 4 is equal to 0 with x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 0. Triangle కావాలంటే 3 sides required. This is one line. X is equal to 0 y axis and y is equal to 0 x axis. Okay? So there are 3 lines. ఈ ఫార్ములా ఇప్పుడే ప్రూవ్ చేసాము. ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 అన్నప్పుడు what is the area of triangle formula? Area of triangle formula is c square by 2 mod ab. So this is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. What is c square? 4 square by 2 into modulus of a into b. A means x coefficient, b means y coefficient. That is 16 by 4 into 3, 12. That is 4 by 2. That is 8 square units. Okay. Next one. If the area of triangle, just listen. After that you can take a screenshot. If the area of triangle formed by 3x plus 4y is equal to a with coordinate axis is 2 square units, then a is equal to, okay, the area of triangle formed by this line with coordinate axis. Coordinate axis means x axis and y axis. There are 2 lines, axis and 1 line is there. And the area is also given 2 square units. Then what about the value of a? So what is area formula? Area is equal to c square by 2 mod ab. What is c here? A square by 2 mod. A means 3, b means 4, and the total area is given is 2. Area is given is 2. It is 2 square units that is given. Now that implies a square is equal to 2 into 3, 6, 24, 24 into 2, 48. Now a is equal to plus or minus root of a value plus or minus ఉండొచ్చు. Area should not be negative. Okay? A value may be positive or negative. So that implies a is equal to plus or minus 4 root 3. That is the value. Okay? Next one. Find equation of line passing through 1 comma minus 1 whose intercepts on axis are equal. Find the equation of the line. ఇప్పుడు వరకు మనం నేర్చుకున్న ఈక్వేషన్స్ ఏంటో చూడండి. డిఫరెంట్ ఫార్మ్స్ చెప్పాను. ఆరిజిన్ గుండా పాస్ అయితే y is equal to mx. y ఇంటర్సెప్ట్ స్లోప్ ఇస్తే y is equal to mx plus c. x ఇంటర్సెప్ట్ స్లోప్ ఇస్తే y is equal to m of x minus a. అలా కాకుండా both the intercepts ఇచ్చినప్పుడు x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. ఇప్పుడు వాడు క్వశ్చన్ ఏమనిచ్చారు, ఫైండ్ ద ఈక్వేషన్ ఆఫ్ ద లైన్ whose intercepts అంటే x intercept and y intercept on axis. One is x axis, other one is x axis, y axis. So intercepts are same. What is the equation of the line? Our assumption x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. But given a is equal to b, that is given intercepts are equal. Now x by a plus y by a is equal to 1. Now x plus y is equal to a. Then how to find a? There is a value given. This line passing through the point. Line passing through. This is passing through 1 comma minus 1. That means replace x with 1, y with minus 1. That is 0 is equal to a. So what about the equation of line? X plus y is equal to 0. So that is the equation of the line. Okay? I will give one more example. Passing through minus 2 comma 3 and whose sum of intercepts is 0. Sum of intercepts 0 anna equal in magnitude, opposite in sign anna okati. Okay, we have to find the equation of the line. Intercepts ante two intercepts inappudu what is the formula? X by a plus y by b is equal to 1. Okay, and given what is given a plus b is equal to 0, sum is equal to 0. Now you can write b is equal to minus a. So x by a plus y by minus a is equal to 1. That is x minus y is equal to a. LCM a, x minus y is equal to a. Now this is passing through minus 2 comma 3. So replace x with minus 2. That implies a is equal to minus 5. So you replace a value here, you will get x minus y is equal to minus 5. X minus y is equal to 5. Okay, you write down, take a screenshot for this. Okay, now next question. You see the next one. Next question, find the equation of the line passing through same point minus 2 comma 3 whose sum of intercepts is minus 1. Sum of intercepts is minus 1. ఇది కొద్ది lengthy problems ఇలాంటివి. Find the equation of the line passing through minus 2 comma 3 and whose sum of intercepts is minus 1. ఇలాంటి ప్రాబ్లం ఎలా చేయాలి? So you see, sum of intercepts is given minus 1. Now b is equal to minus 1 minus a. Now x by a plus y by minus 1 minus a is equal to 1. That is, what is LCM here? a of 1 plus a, ఇక్కడ minus common is. So 1 plus a into x minus y into a is equal to 1. Okay now? ఇక్కడ minus common is ఇక్కడ రాస్తున్నాం. Now what is our equation? 1 plus a into x minus ya is equal to a of 1 plus a. ఇలా వచ్చింది equation. Then this is passing through minus 2 comma 3. Passing through minus 2 comma 3. So 1 plus a into minus 2 minus 3 into a is equal to a plus a square. That is minus 2 minus 2a minus 3a is equal to a plus a square. Okay, that is a square and you see minus 5a, that's the 6a, that is 6a and minus with the plus 2 is equal to 0. Okay na? A square minus plus 6a plus 2 is equal to 0. There is no factors, therefore a is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a అంటే 28 minus 6 plus or minus root of 28 by, that is minus 6 plus or minus 2 root 7 by 2. So minus 3 plus or minus 2 root 7. That is the value of a. Then what about b? I am doing here. So b value is equal to, so b is equal to minus 1 minus a. So minus 1 minus of minus 3 plus or minus 2 root 7. So that is minus 1 plus 3 minus or plus 2 root 7. So 2 minus or plus 2 root 7. That is the value. So x by a means you can write minus 3 plus 2 root 7. Then what about b? 2 minus 2 root 7 is equal to 1. Or if x by you take there minus 3 minus 2 root 7, y by 2 plus 2 root 7. అక్కడ ప్లస్ ఆర్ మైనస్, ఇక్కడ మైనస్ ఆర్ ప్లస్. సో అక్కడ ప్లస్ తీసుకున్నప్పుడు ఇక్కడ మైనస్ వాల్యూ రావాలి, అక్కడ మైనస్ తీసుకున్నప్పుడు ఇక్కడ ప్లస్ వాల్యూ. దీస్ ఆర్ ది టూ ఈక్వేషన్స్. ఓకే, concept is very simple. I will give one more example. Then you can take screenshot and write the notes. This is 5th question. I will give 6th question also. Passing through 1 comma 2 and ratio of intercepts. Ratio of intercepts is 2:3. Find the equation of the line passing through 1 comma 2 and ratio of intercepts is 2:3. Find the equation of the line. Simple problems even. So first ratio of the intercepts. What is intercepts? A and B, x intercept and y intercept. So a is to b or a by b is equal to 2 by 3. That implies b is equal to 3a by 2. Okay, a is to b is 2 by 2 is to 2 by 3. Then you can find b or a in terms of b or b in terms of a. B is equal to 3a by 2. Now what about the equation of the line? X by a plus y by b means 3a by 2 is equal to 1. That is x by a plus 2y by 3a is equal to 1. And here the LCM is 3a. That is 3x plus 2y is equal to 1. Now 3x plus 2y is equal to 3a. ఓకేనా? రేషియో ఇచ్చారు కాబట్టి a by b is equal to 2 by 3 అని. b ని కనుక్కున్నాను ఇన్ టర్మ్స్ ఆఫ్ a, రీప్లేస్ చేశాను ఈక్వేషన్. లేదా a కనుక్కోండి, a ప్లేస్ లో b రీప్లేస్ చేసుకోండి, ఎలా అయినా పర్లేదు. ఎల్సిఎం కనుక్కుంటే ఒక ఈక్వేషన్ వచ్చింది. How to find this a? This line is passing through 1 comma 2. Now 3 into 1 plus y into 2 is equal to 3a. 2y kada, 2 into 2, that is 3 plus 4 7. 7 is equal to 3a, or a is equal to 3 by 7. A is equal to 7 by 3. Therefore equation of line, what is the equation of line? This is the equation. 3x plus 2y is equal to 3a. 3x plus 2y is equal to 3a means 7. So this is the equation of the line. Okay? Take a screenshot now. Okay, so next one more equation. The problems last class lo cheppina concepts medu unna problems cheppanu. Next one more concept, inka ఇప్పుడు మనం మాట్లాడుకుంటుంది డిఫరెంట్ ఫార్మ్స్ ఆఫ్ స్ట్రైట్ లైన్ కదా. ఇవన్నీ మీకు నేను స్క్రీన్ షాట్స్ కూడా పంపిస్తాను. నేను నోట్స్ జాగ్రత్తగా రాసుకోండి, దట్ ఈస్ వెరీ వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్. ఎన్నిసార్లు చెప్తున్నామంటే యు నో ద ఇంపార్టెన్స్ ఆఫ్ ద నోట్స్, ఇన్ పర్టికులర్ జామెట్రీ కాన్సెప్ట్స్ కరెక్ట్గా చదువుకుంటే జామెట్రీ అనేది వెరీ ఈజీ. నౌ one more form of straight line. ఇప్పటివరకు డిఫరెంట్ ఫార్మ్స్ ఆఫ్ స్ట్రైట్ లైన్ చెప్పాను. ఓన్లీ ఎక్సెంట్రిసిటీ ఇస్తే ఎలా చేయాలి, పాసింగ్ త్రూ ఆరిజిన్ అంటే హౌ టు డూ దిస్. నౌ వన్ మోర్ ఈక్వేషన్ ఆఫ్ ద స్ట్రైట్ లైన్. దిస్ ఈజ్ వెరీ 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 ఇంపార్టెంట్ ఇన్ ద టాపిక్ స్ట్రైట్ లైన్. స్ట్రైట్ లైన్ సంబంధించి వన్ ఆఫ్ ది ఇంపార్టెంట్ ఫార్మ్ అన్నమాట, దట్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ పాయింట్ స్లోప్ ఫార్మ్. ఇప్పుడు సబ్హెడింగ్ లైన్ పాయింట్ స్లోప్ ఫార్మ్ ఆఫ్ ఏ స్ట్రైట్ లైన్. అంటే ఒక ఈక్వేషన్ ఆఫ్ స్ట్రైట్ లైన్ కనుక్కోవాలంటే వీ రిక్వైర్ టు, ఇప్పుడు చెప్పినవన్నీ ఇంటర్సెప్ట్స్. ఎక్స్ ఇంటర్సెప్ట్ ఇచ్చి స్లోప్ ఇస్తే కనుక్కోవచ్చు, 2 ఇంటర్సెప్ట్స్ ఇస్తే ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయొచ్చు, ఇలా చెప్పాను ప్రాబ్లమ్స్. సో ఇన్ ద సేమ్ వే సపోజ్ వన్ ఈక్వేషన్ ఆఫ్ స్ట్రైట్ లైన్ కనుక్కోవాలంటే అదర్ దాన్ ఇంటర్సెప్ట్స్ ఇవ్వలేదు, అప్పుడు ఖచ్చితంగా మనకి 1 పాయింట్ అండ్ 1 స్లోప్ మస్ట్ బి రిక్వైర్డ్. ఓకే, equation of line, this is point slope form. Point slope form. Point slope form. This is one of the important. ఇది మస్ట్ టు రావాలి. ఇప్పటివరకు చెప్పిన మరి ఇంటర్సెప్ట్స్, x ఇంటర్సెప్ట్స్ ఇస్తే ఎలా చేస్తాం, y ఇంటర్సెప్ట్ ఇలా చేస్తాం. బోత్ ద ఇంటర్సెప్ట్స్ విల్ గివెన్ హౌ టు డు ద ప్రాబ్లం. ఇప్పుడు పాయింట్ ఇస్తే పాయింట్ స్లోప్ ఇచ్చారు. సో దేర్ ఈస్ ఎ లైన్ which is passing through x1 comma y1. Passing through x1 y1, slope m. These two are given. One point is given and slope of the line is given. This line slope is m and this line passing through x1 comma y1. Okay, now I am assuming one more point x comma y. What is the slope of the, let p x comma y be any point on the line. Any point on the line. Then slope m is equal. What is meant by slope? Difference of y coordinates. y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. You just cross multiply. You will get m of x minus x1 is equal to y minus y. Now equation of line y minus y1 is equal to m of x minus x1. y minus y1 is equal to m of x minus x1. ఎప్పుడు వాడాలి, ఒక స్ట్రైట్ లైన్ ఈక్వేషన్ కనుక్కోవాలంటే మనకి రెండు కావాలి, ఇంటర్సెప్ట్స్ కాకుండా. వన్ ఈజ్ స్లోప్, అదర్ వన్ ఈజ్ పాయింట్. ఇఫ్ 1 point 1 slope is given, then this is the formula to find the equation of straight line. బాగా గుర్తున్నారు మైండ్ లో. ఈక్వేషన్ ఆఫ్ స్ట్రైట్ లైన్ కనుక్కోవాలంటే if you have to find the equation of straight line, 2 points are required. One is point, other one is slope. One point x1 y1 and slope is given. This is the formula to find the equation of the straight line. Okay, this is the formula. Y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. Okay, next, this is very very important. Next, 2-point form. 2-point form is very easy. Line passing through 2 points ఇచ్చారు సార్. Line passing through 2 points x1 y1 and x2 y. What about the equation of the line? Okay, ఇప్పుడు సింపుల్. You take 1 point. అసలు మనకు లైన్ ఈక్వేషన్ కావాలంటే ఒక పాయింట్ ఒక స్లోప్ చాలు. కానీ ఇక్కడ 2 points ఇచ్చారు. మరి స్లోప్ ఇచ్చారా? What about the slope here? y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. So ఒక పాయింట్ తీసుకుందాం. You may consider any of the point. Suppose I am taking this point. So what is the equation of line? Y minus y1 is equal to m of x minus x1. What is m here? y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. So just replace m here. Just cross multiply. Y minus y1 of x2 minus x1 is equal to y2 minus y1 of x minus x1. This is 2-point form. దీంతో మనకి ఇంపార్టెన్స్ లేదు, ఇంకా గుర్తుపెట్టుకోవాలి పర్వాలేదు. There is no importance for this formula. Just listen అంతే. Nothing importance for this one. You have to remember this. Okay, this formula occurs from this only. So whenever to find the equation of straight line other than intercepts, we require 1 point and 1 slope. If 1 point and 1 slope is given, this is the formula to find the equation of the straight line. Okay, so I will give some example also. Passing through 1 comma minus 1 and slope 1 minus 1 by 3. Slope is given, point is given. Then what about the equation of the straight line? Y minus y1 is equal to slope into x minus x1. So y plus 1 into 3 is equal to minus of x plus 1. So x plus 3y plus 1 plus 2 is equal to 2. I will give one more example. Inclination 135 degrees and passing through 0 comma minus 3. What is the equation of the straight line? Inclination ఇచ్చారు. మనకి లైన్ ఈక్వేషన్ కనుక్కోవాలంటే పాయింట్ అండ్ స్లోప్ ఆర్ రిక్వైర్మెంట్. Point is given, but what about slope? Inclination is given. Therefore, theta is equal to m is equal to tan 135 degrees. That is tan of 90 plus 45 minus cot 45. That is minus 1. So slope is minus 1. Our formula y minus y1 is equal to m of x minus x1. Y minus y1. So that is y1 is minus 3. Y minus of minus 3 is equal to x minus 0. Y plus 3 is equal to minus x. X plus y plus 3 is equal to 0. You take a screenshot for this. Okay, screenshots తీసుకోండి లేదంటే నేను పంపిస్తాను. Nothing to worry. This is very important formula. You remind it. This is very important. Now I will give one more example with the 2-point form. I will send the notes also. These screenshots I will send to you, and I will give some questions also. First you read the concepts, then only try to do the problems. Whatever problems I send to your groups. Okay. Find the equation of line. Find equation of line passing through 1 comma minus 3 and minus 2 comma 5. Minus 2, 1 comma minus 3 and minus 2 comma 5. Okay? 2 points are given. How to find the equation? We require 1 point and 1 slope. You take any of the points. What about slope? Slope is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. 8 by minus 3. And you take any of the point. Nothing to worry. So y minus y1 is equal to m of x minus x1. Suppose you take this point. If you take this point also, answer will be the same. So y minus y1 is equal to minus 8 by 3 of x minus x1. So 3y plus 9 is equal to minus 8x plus 8. So 8x plus 3y plus 1 is equal to 0. So ఒకసారి కాన్సెప్ట్స్ అన్ని చూసుకోండి. I will send notes, these screenshots also. Just do all the problems. If you have a doubt, post your doubts. Okay? Right. Thank you.